fun simplifying when there's rational exponents involved. It seems like they always give you one problem that looks scary and one that doesn't look as scary, but you got to take your time with them. Okay, so it looks like here I've got some multiplication going on A here. So I've got a 5, I've got a 2, I've got a 3. In fact, I'm going to write 5 times 2 times 3. And then I've got an x to the 3/4 and an x to the 1/5, right? Okay. Well, 5 times 2 times 3, that's 30. Okay. And then x to the, now, what do I do when the bases are the same? I have to add the exponents with multiplication. So I'd really like a common denominator here. I'll need 20, so multiply by 5 here, multiply by 4 here. So I'm getting what? 15 over 20 plus 4 over 20. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Okay, so my final answer, I'm going to write 30x to the 19 over 20. That's a 19. Now, you could say, oh, I want to put it in radical notation. I probably wouldn't on this problem. I'd just leave it like that. Okay. So now let's look at this problem, see if that's scary. Okay. First of all, you've got a negative exponent, right? Okay. So you can make that 1 over 16 ninths to the 1/2 and make it a positive exponent. All right, so that's, step 1. Now, what does a 1/2 mean? Well, an exponent that's a 1/2 means square root of 16 over 9. Okay, well, I can split that up and make it 1 over square root of 16 over the square root of 9. Okay, that's going to be, I'm running out of room here, 1 over 4 over 3, right? Because square root of 16 is 4, square root of 9 is 3. Okay, so then how do you divide this? Like, what do you do with that? That's going to be 1 times, you'll have to multiply by the reciprocal. So, it's division, right? So it's 1 divided, if you wrote 1 divided by 4/3, that's the same as 1 times 3/4. Okay, anyway, the answer is going to be 3/4. That's going to be the answer. So even though it was kind of a little problem, there were a lot of steps to think about on that one. So, but it was fun.